For the best price, click the link in the description. Are you tired of struggling to make smoothies and frozen drinks with your old blender? Do you find yourself constantly dealing with lumps and uneven textures? Well, I have some good news for you. Today we're reviewing the Blendtec Designer 650, a high-end blender that's taken the world by storm. But here's what surprised me. This blender is not just any ordinary machine. It's a game changer in the kitchen. With its powerful 3.8 horsepower motor and advanced blade design, it can handle even the toughest ingredients with ease. Therefore, you might be wondering if this incredible performance comes at an equally impressive price tag. But let me ask you, are you willing to pay extra for the ultimate blending experience? Or are you like most people who think that a blender is just a blender? I'll tell you what, I've spent countless hours researching and testing this machine, and I'm about to give you the lowdown on whether or not it's worth the extra cash. So let's dive right in and explore all the amazing features of the Blendtec Designer 650. The first thing that caught my attention was its sleek and modern design. This blender is a statement piece in any kitchen, with its stainless steel and black accents giving it a premium look and feel. But what really sets it apart is its incredible performance. Can this blender truly deliver on its promises? To answer that question, let's take a closer look at its key features. The Blendtec Designer 650 boasts an impressive list of specs, including 3.8 horsepower motor, advanced blade design for effortless blending, 10 pre-programmed cycles for easy operation, 6-speed manual control for precision, large 64-ounce pitcher capacity. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. Is this really worth the extra money? To find out, we need to explore its strengths and weaknesses in more detail. One major advantage of this blender is its incredible power and performance. With its 3.8 horsepower motor, it can handle even the toughest ingredients with ease, from frozen drinks to hot soups. Therefore, if you're a busy person who wants a machine that can keep up with your demands, this might be the perfect choice. However, there are some potential downsides to consider. For example, this blender is quite expensive. We'll get into the pricing and value in more detail later on. Additionally, some users have reported issues with noise levels, although I found it to be relatively quiet during my testing. Now that we've explored its features and specs, let's talk about what really matters: performance. How does this blender stack up against its competitors? During my testing, I was blown away by the Blendtec Designer 650's ability to make smoothies, frozen drinks, and even hot soups with ease. It's incredibly powerful and efficient, making it a joy to use in the kitchen. But what really sets it apart is its advanced blade design. This thing can handle anything you throw at it. From frozen berries to ice cubes, it effortlessly blends everything into a smooth and creamy texture. Of course, no blender is perfect, and there are some potential drawbacks to consider. For example, cleaning can be a bit of a pain due to the complex blade system. Therefore, if you're someone who hates doing dishes, this might not be the best choice for you. Despite these minor issues, I'm convinced that the Blendtec Designer 650 is worth every penny. With its incredible performance and advanced features, it's a game changer in the kitchen. But don't just take my word for it. Let's dive into some customer reviews to see what other users have to say about this blender. As I scrolled through Amazon reviews, I was impressed by the overwhelmingly positive feedback from customers. Many praised its incredible performance and ease of use, while others appreciated its sleek design and durability. But there are also some criticisms worth mentioning. As with any product, not everyone will be entirely satisfied. However, based on my own testing and research, I believe that this blender is a worthwhile investment for anyone who wants the best. So what's the verdict? Is the Blendtec Designer 650 worth the extra money? In my opinion, absolutely yes. With its incredible performance, advanced features, and sleek design, it's a game changer in the kitchen. Whether you're a busy person who wants a powerful machine or a health-conscious individual looking for a blender that can handle tough ingredients, this is an excellent choice. Of course, as with any product, there are some potential downsides to consider, including the price tag and noise levels. However, based on my research and testing, I believe that these minor issues are far outweighed by the benefits of owning this machine. For the best price, click the link in the description.